So, I was just sitting here waiting for the mail today, and I'm just messing with things. This is just an electrical lockout tagout that goes over the plug, but I was going to demonstrate how useful zip ties can be. We're not open yet. Let me get you up here. Did it open? Yeah, it's open. So, there's that. And then we got the only reason I'm putting these in the vices is so it's easier to see. It would help if I got the damn vise open correctly, but there we go. Put you there. Give me the same zip tie. So we're going to put the zip tie in. Get back there. Zip tie goes in. And then we got one more. I'm gonna try to do a pin tumbler lock with this too, but I couldn't find one that I could open with the zip tie, so I'm probably gonna have to keep working on that. Alright, so again. Oh, come on, go in there right. Zip tie goes in. Tension goes on. Well, maybe I'm not on all the pins. We'll try this one. There we go. So, zip tie is just a useful thing to keep around.